You feel it. I feel it. Something's off in America, but it's hard to say exactly what. This channel exists to name and resolve it. We argue, we vote, we react, but nothing really moves forward. Not really. Why? Because we've lost the foundation. The problem isn't just confusion. It's that the people meant to offer clarity, the thinkers, the leaders, don't understand what the country stands for. Even worse, most have stopped trying to figure it out. I'm Damien Terrence Dubose, author of America's Ethical Archetype. I bring clarity to ideas and integrate them into a rational foundation for action. This channel is part of my mission to reset how we think about values, leadership, and what freedom must mean in America. Not for the sake of debate, because freedom isn't a starting point. It's the outcome of a clear, principled foundation. And that's what this is all about. Making those principles explicit and showing how to lead with integrity in a country that's lost its direction. Because if those shaping the culture can't identify the good, they can't help but fail us. If you're tired of endless analysis with no answers, this is where it ends. If you've been looking for clarity, you found it. Welcome.